In the office, at school, or any workplace, filing products are handled and exchanged between many different people. On untreated surfaces, bacteria, viruses, and fungi proliferate and facilitate contamination with each file that is shared. It is becoming essential that these everyday products are protected to guarantee the health of both our loved ones and co-workers. What if a protective barrier was already featured within the manufacturing process? Exacompta has incorporated antimicrobial technology into its CleanSafe range. The files, folders, drawer units, and even letter trays are protected against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. How does this work? The paper or plastic material is treated with an antimicrobial additive. This additive, also known as biocide, either quaternary ammonium or silver ions, prevents the proliferation of more than 99% of bacteria. It is both colorless and odorless on products, and its effectiveness is long-lasting. The CleanSafe range is also environmentally friendly. The paper products are FSC certified, which verifies that the paper comes from sustainably managed forests. The plastic items are also made using recycled waste materials. How do you recognize CleanSafe products? An insert or label on all CleanSafe products mentions the antimicrobial characteristics and the additive used. Whether you are handing on files for archiving or organizing your desk, CleanSafe helps you protect your shared spaces and exchange filing with other employees whilst giving you peace of mind. Exacompta. Thinking clearer, going further.